What's up, guys? So today we are gonna go hit some actual roads. I'm in the middle of absolutely fucking nowhere, and yeah, I'd love to take this out for a little drive because I've been bored and I can't stand the city, and it's flat as fuck out here. I wish I had some windy roads, so I'm gonna go try to find some. I do know that on the way there I will be getting some drone footage, just see how this drive and POV video goes. So yeah, she's a little dirty. The wheels always get dirty, even with the carbon ceramics. I just threw on the hazards because I thought it'd be sick looking, but yeah, anyway, I just wanted to show you guys here. I mean, we, can you tell how dirty it is? Probably not. Anyway, it probably looks great on video. So without further ado, let's go take this thing for a drive because it's gloomy as fuck outside and I'm not gonna let that fuck up my mood. I'm just not, and that's why I have this car, okay? All right, because it's either I have this car or I just go tie up a noose. Anyway, all right. Should have this already pre-routed. Perfect, beautiful. Turn that down. Alrighty, guys, let's do this. I think we gotta start this off by doing a little burnout. All right, let's do it. Bang. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It's smoky. Let's put that back into four-wheel drive sport. Oh, what is this right here? Some new development, it looks like. Dang, it's smoky as fuck. It's crazy. Alrighty. Oh yeah, so she's still fast. I mean, I just had to double check, you know. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, this is kind of the little highway out here, isn't it? I don't know where the hell I am. I just found a place and pinned it on the map. And I thought, okay, cool, it'd be probably some nice drone footage. But I'll let you guys find out where I'm going. I need to put this into sport. Basically, when you put it into sport, there's like a button called M mode. You put it into sport and it just changes up your display. It shows your tachometer over there on the heads-up display, and it's more RPM focused here. What's cool though is it still shows the map, and you could also change that to like boost gauges, temperature, and then of course like horsepower and stuff. Though I'm pretty sure if I go over here, there we go. There's your boost pressure. And then we have, let's see, tire temps. Yeah, there you go. So if I go like this. Yeah, it maxes out at 530 horsepower though. That's the only thing. Even though I'm tuned. I mean, there is a setting on NHD to increase your, there is a setting to increase your like the amount, the max, what are they called, max speed or some shit like that. But I clicked it, it just, you know, it still shows that. So, all right, where am I going? Left? Okay, good. What's cool about this entire system is it shows you like your overview, and then this shows you like kind of more close up, so you know where to turn. I'll do some more spirited driving. I just need the way. Damn, it is a real shitty road here though. Whoa. It's a problem when you drive out here really north of Dallas, is there's just so much construction everywhere. It's like even if you try to go on back roads, you're just, first of all, everything is just straight. It's fucking straight. You know, and that's one thing that's kind of hard, you know, for me to live here, is everything is so fucking straight. There's like no windy roads, no elevation changes, And you know, it's gonna get me to move eventually. I can feel it. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm gonna have too many friends out here, and I'm not gonna want to. But you know, I've done it before. I've moved, left everything behind, did it. Actually 2.5 years to be exact, and I actually turned out fucking great. I'm married now, so which is pretty bomb. So, all right, come on. I'm not gonna lie, I was really stubborn about putting ethanol or whatever E85 in my car. I don't know, man. I worked really hard for this car, you know, and I started my business and just did all business, and just like buying a car that was this much was like, holy shit. Now you buy this car and it's like everyone has this fucking car. It's crazy. But I was pretty stubborn about it, you know, and so when you work so hard towards something, you're kind of more reluctant to do things to it because you're like, shit, is it gonna blow up? Is it gonna, you know, what's gonna happen? You don't want to fuck around with it. You don't want it to become unreliable. And you know, I did it. I fucking did it, you know, and it's pretty great. I actually did a lot of research. Apparently this corn gas shit is pretty reliable, like as far as engine goes. A lot of the time with speed and the tune, you know, running a 93 octane alone is actually, they say, more sketchy, which doesn't make a lot of sense to me, but I guess that's how it is. I don't know if I like that. Yeehaw, brother. Fuck yeah. Straight ahead. That's the thing about Texas, man. Like Dallas area, everything is so flat. I mean, look around. That kind of looks like a fucking cop. And it's not. What am I doing? I gotta stop. I gotta chill, man. I just don't know these roads out here, man. I'm not afraid to give it some beans, but I'm not gonna go too crazy. Oh shit. Just handles so damn good. It's like every time you go the speed limit, it's like everything, you feel like you're going so slow. Oh, there's actually a lot of cars on the road. Maybe I can do it here. Let's see. I'm not even forward. Now I'm forward. Wow. Woo, baby, that was fast. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Come on, you got it. Oh, I can smell brakes. I'm not gonna lie, man. Every single time I get into this car, it's sad when I get out. I just miss it. I can't get enough of it, especially now with Catless downpipes and all that. When I got this car first time, so I ordered it. I mean, I customized it. I did all that. And when I first got it, I'm like, dude, why am I feeling kind of like meh about this? You know what I mean? And it's because it was just so damn quiet, man. So first thing I did was get an exhaust, but then I was like, shit, it's still, like, it's louder, but it's not, you know, it's not where I want it to be, so. But now when I tuned it, and Catless, I mean, shit, it's literally crazy. It is fucking crazy. So, all right, let's do it. Location is scenic. Okay, you got some water. Wow. I just can't get enough of this fucking car. Well, thanks for watching. I'm going to do one last pull, but I want to get through the gears a little bit. All right. Holy shit. I did say thanks for watching, but I think I'm going to keep going a little longer. Oh, here we go. Here's a good spot. Yeah, I think this is a great spot right here. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, I guess just have a good day, you know? All right. Peace.